Alright, now we have our 1/4 inch wire series. Now this is similar to the Senko L series. Now we carry the 18 gauge staples in 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, 1 inch, 1.25 inches, and 1.5 inches. Now we have our mini assembler. This is the 425K. Now this is good for cabinets pretty much because you want to use 1 inch and smaller staples for this gun. So, like so. Attach the air source. Now the next gun, the 440K. This is more the heavy duty. Now I'm going to show you how to load it and unload it. Alright, first things first, you're going to pull this down. Put it on an angle. Now that creates the gap right here for your staples to come in. Let it slide all the way down. And boom. Attach your air source. Now I'll show you once more.